Your phone isn't just distracting you, it's weakening you. Every time you reach for it, you're training your brain to be softer, more anxious, more dependent. This isn't just bad habit, it's neuroscience. Your phone is hijacking the same dopamine circuits as drugs and gambling. The only difference, your dealer is Apple or Samsung, and society thinks it's perfectly normal. Think about it. How many times have you reached for your phone without even realizing it? That's not choice. That's compulsion, and compulsion is slavery. But here's the truth, slavery to a screen is optional. You can break it, you can rewire your brain. And the way out isn't about becoming a monk in a cave, it's about understanding how this trap works, and using specific habits to flip it. Let's break it down. 1. The dopamine trap. Every ping, every scroll, every notification is a dopamine spike. The same hit a gambler gets pulling a slot machine. You're not checking your phone because you need information, you're rechecking it because your brain is addicted to the chemical reward. Compared to our ancestors, you're overdosing daily. They got a dopamine hit when they hunted, when they connected, when they built something. You're getting hundreds, just by tapping glass. And here's the brutal truth. Overstimulation makes you weak. It kills your ability to focus, to delay gratification, to stay calm under pressure. A man who can control his attention is a man who can control his life. 2. From consumer to creator. Here's the antidote. Stop being a consumer. Start being a creator. When you create, write, lift, film, build, train, you flip your brain from passive dopamine chasing into active problem solving. Science shows just 30 minutes of creation a day lowers screen cravings dramatically, because creating requires discipline. Consuming requires nothing, and every time you create instead of consume, you're strengthening your mind instead of softening it. 3. The discipline of boredom. Most men today can't sit in silence for 5 minutes without reaching for their phones. That's weakness. Train yourself to be bored. 10 minutes a day. No phone, no stimulation. Just sit. At first, your brain will panic. That's withdrawal. But on the other side of that discomfort is strength. Boredom is where focus is built. It's where creativity is born. It's where you learn to be at peace with yourself instead of needing endless distraction. If you can't handle boredom, you'll never handle pressure. 4. Distance is power. Let me make this simple. If your phone is in the room, you will check it. That's not weakness, it's biology. So here's the rule. When it's time to work, train, or be present with people, put your phone in another room. Not on silent, not face down, gone. When your phone is away, your brain gets stronger. Focus improves. Memory sharpens. Discipline hardens. Out of sight, out of mind, out of reach, out of weakness. 5. Replace or relapse. Most men fail because they try to quit scrolling with sheer willpower. That never works. You don't just cut the habit, you replace it. Scrolling becomes reading. TikTok becomes walking. Social media becomes real conversations. Your brain doesn't crave your phone, it craves stimulation. So feed it with things that make you sharper, not weaker. Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, choose one consumption habit to kill, and replace it with one creation habit. Every time you feel the urge to scroll, switch immediately to creating. Do that, and your brain starts rewiring itself. You stop being a slave. You take back your attention, and attention is power. Because here's the truth. Your phone can either be a tool or a leash, a weapon in your hands or a chain around your neck. The choice is yours. Do you control it, or does it control you?